right, so that's it. That's basically a sound clip of what my car sounds like. It's got a JDL unequal length header, a JDL 3-inch overpipe front pipe combo, no resonator, no cats, mounted to a HKS single, it's the single high power exhaust. And that's really it. This car is gonna be, boosted. It's gonna have a totally different header. I believe it's gonna be an equal length, so it's probably gonna cancel out some of that, that boxer motor, that Subi rumble. My overall experience with the exhaust, it's really, really loud. This is a car I only track, so I don't really care. Again, it was just, maximum power, which you're not really getting any power from the exhaust. I didn't want all the weight with a cat and extra resonators. So I wanted some sound clips just to compare what it sounds like NA versus once it's got a turbo on it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for this camera's so heavy with the mounts. I'm sure it was shaking a lot. I'll probably work on a different mounting kit for the new camera. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'm still waiting for the kit. We got a bunch of stuff coming for it. And that's it, really. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.